friends, welcome back. In today's section, we are going to learn how to get a data from any website to in Excel. For example, we are having one website where funds present NAV is there. So in our Excel, we want these NAVs automatically get refreshed every day. So let's see how to do this. First, we will copy the URL. Then in Excel, click on data, click on from web, paste the URL, press OK. Depend on your internet speed and system performance, it will take some time. Perfect. This is the document which we required. It's a table view. If we click on web view, then the website will show the details. Lot of tables will be there, so we have to ensure we select the correct table only. Click on load. See what will happen. Getting data, and Excel is calculating the rows. One row reflected. Okay. Now from this data, we have to extract the required columns. For this, just move the mouse over to the document. Click on edit. Here, click on this icon to extract the data. Remove this tick option. Press OK. Okay. Again, this symbol came. So we have to click multiple times on the symbol till we get the exact data. Press OK. So different data came. Again, we will click on this icon. Press OK. So check whether fund details came or not. Just check in the text column. Not came. So again click on this icon. Again check in this text column. No. Okay. No. No. No, we are very near to our data. So here it is. Now click on that column and right click, remove other columns. Okay. Now remove all null data. Perfect. So see where our data starts in this. So it is starting from this row, which is 57. Click on remove top rows. 56 rows we don't require. Click 56. So it will remove the 56 rows. Perfect. Again till this row, 29 rows. Keep rows. Click on top rows. 29 rows. So it will keep the top rows. Perfect. Now we require only the fund name and the NAV value. So for this, first we will remove some other unnecessary data from here. So NAV, so common thing is there. So we will do, click on this arrow, text filters, does not contain NAV. Okay, perfect. And inception date is also we don't require. So again click on that, text filters, does not contain inception. Okay, perfect. Fund name and some text is there and NAV is there. So 333 rows came. So again we have to remove this text only. So for this we will create another column. Click on add column, custom column. Here we will use length function. Text dot length, open bracket and close bracket. No syntax errors. Perfect. Press OK. So we are going to remove till 20 above 26 length. So click number format less than 27. Okay, perfect. Now fund name and amount, NAV date, NAV points came. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 ones are there. So check in that website, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Perfect. Now we will remove this column and fund name here it should come, and right side the NAV figure should come. For this we will add index column from 1. Now we will do some calculations here. Modulo 2, which means name will come in 1 and NAV will come in 0. Now we will do a pivot. For text 9 only we have to do pivot. Here select don't aggregate, press OK. So what happened? All the NAV moved to right side. So click this column and fill up, means this NAV should come here. So for this we will click NAV fill up. So it came to top. Now we will remove all null figures. Perfect. We will remove this column also. Double click here. Fund name, latest NAV. Perfect. Click on home. Click close and load. So see what will happen here. Amazing. So from this website, just check what is the life corporate bond fund 1, 29 rupee 83 paisa. See here. So it came only one times. Whenever any data get refreshed, there are two options. One is manually, one is automatically. So to do automatical refresh, you can click on this table, right click and refresh, or else you can also just move the mouse on this document, click on three dots, sorry, just right click and refresh. And also you can do from this here also, refresh all, refresh. It's a manually. If you want automatically, in that also two options is there. One is by opening the document automatically get refresh, or one second, right click on this document, click on properties, see here, refresh data when opening the file. Whenever you open this file, the data will get automatically refreshed with the website figures. And refresh this connection on refresh all, like here. If you remove this, whenever you press this button, it will not refresh. It should be enabled, and click this one. And if you want automatically refresh for every some particular time, then you can select this option also, for 60 minutes, for 30 minutes, for 1 minute, as per your requirement. So this data get refreshed only one time in a day. So this option is not required, and this one also is also not required. If you require, you can select this option, otherwise you can remove that. This one will useful for you. Press OK. So the calculation will take some time, depend on your internet speed and your system performance. Perfect. 6 rows came. So this section is for to get a data from any website into Excel within seconds or minutes without using any further knowledge. Hope this section is very useful for you. If you have any doubts or queries, as always, you can use the comment box. Thank you for your valuable time. Bye.